Hi there, this is a video tutorial explaining how to use My Mileage Tracker. Now this will track your miles or kilometers depending on where you are. So at the top, this will show you your total miles or kilometers that you have driven so far. This will show you your total number of trips that you've been on so far. This will show you your total mileage that has been charged so far, and this is all added up from column K. And then the grand total claim, this is everything including mileage cost, parking fees, and toll fees. So this is everything added up on column N together. So let me explain how everything works. Okay, so we will go down to this next row, and you can double click in the row and you can decide on what date that you went to travel. So that's the 24th, and the description, say you went grocery shopping. If that's your side hustle. And if you drove from, say you drove from Dallas, Texas to Whitney, Texas, your odometer said it was 1.45, and then you ended up at 13,000. So you drove 655 miles. I'm just saying, I'm just guessing. This isn't exact accurate. I'm just showing how it works. So the odometer start is what you would look at your odometer, and then the total miles, this will add up everything for you, so you don't have to calculate this. Make sure to figure out what your total, your local government or reimburses you, or the business reimburses you cents per mile. So you can put that in there. And then this will calculate your cost of your mileage. So it'll calculate your total miles or kilometers times the cents per mile, and then it'll give you the cost. If there's any parking fees, toll fees, we can say 0, and then that will give the total number there. If there's a parking fee, would add that as well. Okay, so that is how this works. If you have found me on YouTube or anywhere else, you can click on the description below and you can find the link to purchase this spreadsheet. Thanks guys so much, and have a good one.